Hello, my name is Evie, and today I will show you how to make this super cute triangle pouch. Sewing is my passion, and I deeply believe that anyone and everyone can sew too. So if you don't have no one to show you this amazing craft, you are in the right place. I'm making a set of easy sewing patterns for beginners that will teach you many sewing tricks in an easy and fun way. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe. This is the set that we'll make today. You can choose different attachments depending on how you want to use them. I chose printed cotton for the outside and plain cotton for the lining. When you print your pattern, please check if the little square in the top right corner measures exactly 1 inch. This ensures that the sizes are correct. Today we will make the biggest pouch together. Cut all the pieces for your pouch. Iron them well. Now attach the fusible interfacing to the wrong side of the main piece. Repeat with the second one. Now we will prepare the pull tag. Iron this small piece as shown. Fold it properly. Place the first main piece right side up, with the zipper facing down. Place the lining on the top and clip all of the layers together. We will use a zipper foot now. Please sew slowly with a straight stitch. It will look like this. Now we will sew the other side. Place the lining fabric in the back and the main fabric in the front. it will look like this. Please repeat the straight stitch on this side. Close the zipper, and if it is a soft one, you can switch from the zipper foot to the basic one now. However, you can complete this step with either foot. Top stitch both sides. Now we will connect the main pieces together. Repeat with the lining, but remember to leave an opening. Clip the sides and sew with the straight stitch. Please take a closer look. Now the pull. Use a straight stitch on both sides. Attach the ring or lobster clasp and close the bottom. Cut all loose threads. Attach the pull here. Fold and connect the bottom pieces like that. Now the other side. Line the zip like this and clip fabric in place. Sew it with a straight stitch. You can clean the edges with the pinking shears and cut all loose threads. Turn it to the right side using a chopstick or your favorite turning tool. Now let's close the opening. Sew the lining by hand or with a straight stitch on the sewing machine. Try to iron every side and you're done. Look how cute it turned out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more fun and easy sewing patterns. Happy sewing and see you next time!